It is my pleasure to introduce you to Patrick Bryant, and all the bio says here is rock star.
I'm Patrick Bryant, CEO of Code and Trust software development firm, professional speaker, and serial software entrepreneur. And I've had the pleasure of starting 10 companies, 6 of which are worth multi-millions. When I'm public speaking, I'm hoping to entertain.
It's repeatable. Our clients literally light it on fire and then need to buy another one.
But my number one goal is to inform and to inspire, to use information that gets people to relook at their businesses and think about how they can grow and scale. I always want the audience to be thinking about specific goals of how they can craft a better product or service or initiative, whatever it is they're working on. I want to give them concrete tools to make that particular thing more impactful, more scalable, more innovative. My entire vision revolves around entrepreneurship and getting entrepreneurs to vision their largest impact on the world. So many entrepreneurs have created incredible businesses, but they aren't seeing the next step, the opportunity for them to grow, scale, and innovate in their area of expertise. I believe entrepreneurship is the number one change agent in the world. It creates jobs, innovates products, and most importantly, it impacts people's lives every single day.